Hey everyone, I'm Kevin with another episode of Inside Mobile Manufacturing. Let's try something. I want you to close your eyes and imagine a busy city with cars, buses, and bikes all moving in harmony, guided by traffic lights and signs. Now picture this city inside a warehouse where the vehicles are automated guided vehicles and products are being moved all throughout the facility. Now I want you to picture me with millions of dollars and an improved hairline. That honestly has nothing to do with today's topic, but I figured it couldn't hurt to have you help manifest some abundance for me. Oh, also you can open your eyes now. Today we're going to explore the fascinating world of AGVs, focusing on the vehicles themselves and the system that controls them to better understand how they work together to create an efficient AGV system. Let's start with the vehicles. These are the physical robots that move materials around a facility. Think of them as the cars and buses in our city analogy. AGVs come in various shapes and sizes, from small carts to large forklifts, and they can be equipped with different types of navigation systems, such as laser, magnetic tape, barcode, or vision-based guidance. Now let's talk about the system side of AGVs. This includes the software and control systems that manage the fleet of AGVs. Again, in our city analogy, this system is like the traffic lights and signs that direct the flow of vehicles. The system is responsible for tasks like scheduling, routing, and traffic management, ensuring that the AGVs operate efficiently and safely within the facility. So, how do the vehicles and the system work together? Well, just like any relationship, the key is communication. Drivers in a city rely on traffic signals and signs, right? Well, AGVs constantly send data to the control system, which processes this information and sends back instructions. Imagine an AGV approaching an intersection. It can't see a red light, so instead it requests permission from the system controller to proceed. It waits there until it gets the okay to go. This real-time communication allows the system to optimize the AGV's movements, avoid collisions, and adapt to changes in the environment. Think of it like closing your eyes and waiting for someone to tell you when it's safe to cross the street. Which, honestly, I wouldn't advise. Although you will find out real quickly whether that person likes you or not. An efficient AGV system relies on seamless integration between the vehicles and the control system. For example, if an AGV encounters an obstacle, it can send an alert to the system, which will then reroute other AGVs to avoid congestion. This level of coordination is crucial for maintaining productivity as well as safety. In summary, with AGVs, the vehicles and the system side are two essential components that must work in harmony to create an efficient AGV system. By leveraging advanced technology and real-time communication, these systems can significantly improve material handling processes in various industries. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or want to learn more about AGV systems, speak to one of our experts using the link in the description below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.